In the heart of downtown Denver, at 1801 Arapahoe Street, a 12-story multifamily residence was ready for renewal. What began as a routine exterior restoration became a strategic energy retrofit, designed to meet the evolving performance standards while preserving the building's established identity. The existing cladding was underperforming. Insulation levels no longer supported optimal tenant comfort. And with Denver's Energize Denver requirements raising the bar for energy efficiency, the building required more than surface-level repair. It needed a smarter, high-performing exterior system. The goal was clear: improve performance, enhance comfort, and respect the character of the original design. Tremco Construction Products Group delivered a fully integrated exterior restoration system. Dryvit Federlite M panels enhanced thermal performance while maintaining the building's existing architectural rhythm. Dryvit's dirt pickup-resistant, acrylic-textured finish provided durable protection. Euclid repair mortars restored critical concrete elements. Spectrum One Sealant and Will Seal 600 joint expansions ensured long-term weatherproofing and movement control. And Tremco CS and W deck coatings protected high-traffic surfaces from moisture intrusion. Each component working together as one cohesive building envelope system. The selected panel covers gave the building an updated look, making it shine bright within the Denver skyline. Finished with a sand pebble texture with super white, Mercedes, and anthracite coal, the refreshed exterior maintains its original character, but now performs like a modern, high-efficiency envelope. The result? A building that looks like new without losing its architectural identity. Today, 1801 Skyline stands renewed. Improved energy performance, greater tenant comfort, a facade built to meet more stringent efficiency standards for years to come. For owners navigating major maintenance cycles and evolving energy mandates, this project proves restoration doesn't have to mean reinvention. It can mean revitalization, restoring performance, preserving character, building for what's next. Dryvit Modulite Solutions. Visit dryvit.com to learn more.